is it? Hello? Oh, not. How did it get back there?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
Well, we've seen the first optical illusion of the series. A chance to make it good! Mikhail Grabovski ends the drought!
The Leafs have been coming on here the last 10 minutes of this first period after getting their legs. And a little turn back by Phaneuf, cranks it up to Clark MacArthur. He just throws in the neutral zone. Here comes the give and go between Kulemin and Grabovski. Kulemin throws it towards the net. Grabovski just skates right by all the Lightning. And I mean, the Lightning have plenty of players back here, and everybody's chasing the puck. And there goes Grabovski as Conacher and Bergeron let him go. The Maple Leafs tie this game up in a very important first period goal by Grabovski, who's been struggling big time for the Maple Leafs.
I don't know if we're going to see what happened to the puck in the Toronto zone, but it looked like it was going into the neutral ice and all of a sudden was back in the Toronto end, and that ends up being a key factor in the goal being scored.